Hey, my name is Bruno. I've been designer for the past 20 years. I have designed from newspapers to magazines to art catalogs, logos, typography even, and of course websites and applications. In this super fast course, I want to show you how to design in Sketch, which is for me the leading software for prototyping and making design right now. This course is great for absolute beginners in the tool and in design as well, because as we walk through the application, I will give you some tips about layout, grids, typography, colors, and how to choose the right images for your product. And as well, I give you some tips in usability, how to improve your designs so they are easier to use for all of us, for the users. The great thing about this course, I think, it's that in just 1 hour or so, you will have like 2 finished designs, so you can boost your portfolio, even if you don't have any previous experience at all. You will have a great insight about the application. You could consider a pro after all, and as well you will have 2 full designs, so you can start right away your design career with this knowledge you will get in this course. So I encourage you to join this course. It's good. It's going to be short, but it's going to be super useful for your career or for your giving your first steps into the design world. So join me and let's design together.